This is going to be a video on my German World War II enlisted man's police parade belt buckle. The reason how I know it's parade is because it's a two-piece set. And also, they did use these ones in the field towards the end of the war because they'd use what they had then. But these belt buckles weren't quite made as sturdy as these ones, the one-piece ones. These ones are just meant to, for parading. Not really meant for combat or field use or duty. And you can see where he had the enlisted man who owned this belt buckle. You can see where he took the belt hook on and off. And in German, it's the reefs and Gott mit uns. In German, that means God is with us. Has the original prongs. And the prongs are made out of steel, but the buckle itself is made of aluminum. But this one's kind of heavy compared to this one. This one's like really light because maybe it's a two-piece. I don't know. Well, yes, I do know it is a two-piece. Sorry about that. So, yeah, that is pretty much all for now. And if I get any information wrong, please correct me. I would very well appreciate it. So that's all for now, and thanks for watching.